If you're eager to access your hard-earned money instantly, then this video is tailored just for you. I've compiled a list of legitimate websites that offer daily payouts. You won't want to miss out on these opportunities. Drop a comment below to let me know which website you want me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on. I'll provide you with all the details you need to get started. First up is Payhip.com. This platform enables you to sell your courses, digital downloads, coaching, and memberships effortlessly. With built-in marketing tools and easy integrations, you can promote your products effectively. Plus, you can create coupon codes and affiliate links to incentivize sales. And the best part? You can cash out your earnings via PayPal or Stripe, with only a 5% commission per sale. Next, we have Gumroad.com, a similar platform that allows you to sell virtually anything, from stickers to advice. Like Payhip, Gumroad offers instant payouts, making it convenient for sellers worldwide. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Gumroad is an excellent choice for creators looking to monetize their content. But wait, there's more. If you prefer tasks over sales, the Premise app lets you earn by completing simple tasks. From sharing insights to testing apps, you'll be compensated instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin. Whether you're at home or on the go, Premise offers a flexible way to earn extra income. Looking for more variety? Prolific.com offers unique research opportunities, such as sound perception tests and jury simulations. With flexible hours and instant cash outs, it's a great way to earn extra income. Prolific also prioritizes participant anonymity and fair compensation, ensuring a positive experience for all users. And if you enjoy sharing your opinions, surveysgoogle.com rewards you for completing surveys on various topics. With instant PayPal or Google Play credits, you can earn on the go. Surveysgoogle.com offers a wide range of survey opportunities, from consumer feedback to market research, allowing you to earn rewards while providing valuable insights to businesses. For those with specific skills, platforms like Handy.com and Papa.com offer flexible on-demand services. Whether it's cleaning, shopping, or providing companionship, you can earn instantly while helping others in your community. Handy.com connects you with local service requests, while Papa.com focuses on assisting older adults with daily tasks, offering rewarding opportunities to make a difference in people's lives. Meanwhile, School.com connects students with online tutors, offering instant sessions and flexible schedules. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, this could be a lucrative opportunity for you. School.com provides a platform for tutors to showcase their expertise and connect with students seeking academic support, offering a convenient way to earn extra income while helping others succeed. And let's not forget Qmee.com, where you can earn cash for completing online surveys. With daily payouts and various redemption options, it's an easy way to earn extra cash. Qmee.com offers a wide range of survey opportunities, from product feedback to opinion polls, allowing you to earn rewards while sharing your thoughts and opinions. Last but not least, Transcribeme.com offers transcription opportunities with instant activation and PayPal payouts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced transcriptionist, you can earn on your own terms. Transcribeme.com provides a platform for transcriptionists to earn income by transcribing short audio clips, offering a flexible and convenient way to monetize your typing skills. So there you have it, a plethora of opportunities for instant earnings, all at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.